Good morning. It is morning time and I'm about to make my shake for the day, the one that I make every single morning for breakfast. And a lot of you have been asking me, hey, how do you make your shake? What goes into it? And I've taken pictures of all the supplements that I put in my shake every morning, but I haven't actually shown you all the ingredients that go into my shake every single day that fuels me until probably about 12 o'clock every day. So it is 8 and I usually drink my shake around 8 a.m. every day, and it'll take me straight to lunchtime until 12. Fills me up. My sugar levels stay even until 12. I don't feel snacky. I don't want snacks. I don't feel hunger until about 12. And then I have lunch. So let me show you what goes into my shake every single morning. And Matt also drinks the shake, so I make 2 every morning. So I'm gonna make 2 today also. So I got my handy dandy blender. I don't go anywhere without it. I don't leave home without my blender. When we vacation, I bring it with me. Okay, 1 banana. This goes into our shake first. Love bananas. They're probably my favorite fruit. And I'm gonna list a whole bunch of reasons why bananas are amazing for you while I'm doing this, when I edit. Then we have frozen blueberries. I buy frozen blueberries in like a big, huge bag, and then I put them in the Ziploc. It's easier than that one from the store. Or you could get fresh ones and freeze them if you go blueberry picking. So we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of blueberries. Then we're going to do frozen avocado. You can use it fresh if you want. It's a 1/2 an avocado. So I do a 1/2 cup of frozen avocado. Let's break it up. This is amazing fat for you in the morning, so get your day started, keeps you feeling full for a while. There we go, 1/2 cup of avocado. Now we're gonna use organic pineapple juice. I've been using Knudsen and I like Lakewood. Both are great, either one. Organic pineapple juice, 100% pineapple juice, nothing more, nothing less. We're gonna do 1 cup of pineapple juice. It's amazing for you, pineapple juice. It makes you feel so good. 1 cup. Then I like to use coconut water. This is the kind I like to use. Try to get one that doesn't have any additives in it, because sometimes they'll add things to coconut water. I like this one, Simple Truth, because there's no additives. It's just straight up coconut water. Sometimes they'll put sugar in it, so just read labels. Then I like to add collagen to my shake every morning, and it does wonders for my skin. Like, I really don't wear a lot of makeup at all. My skin is super soft and smooth, and it really helps me during the winter to keep it supple because it's super dry. So I like Vital Proteins, and I'll list that below. 2 scoops, and it comes with a scooper inside of it. Then I like to add protein. I store my protein in this little container, but this is the protein that I like to use. Organic grass-fed whey protein. It's super gentle on my stomach. Never has affected me or bothered me in any way, and it keeps me feeling full until lunch. So we're gonna do 4 tablespoons. Now we gotta add in the supplements. Okay, we're gonna do the Ceylon Cinnamon. Love it, it's amazing. It has so many health benefits for you. It's not just for flavor, it's for the health benefits. I've been on this healing journey for, 9 months now, since February 2022. And ever since I've been starting the shake, life is amazing. It has healed me. We're gonna do a tablet of zinc. So these come in this is 30 milligrams. This comes in gel caps, and I don't take them, I put them in my shake. So I open up the gel cap and just sprinkle it in. Then we're gonna do some B vitamins because they do wonders for your body. They are also in capsules. This little pill will make you pee neon yellow, FYI. So open that capsule, put that in. Then we have magnesium glycinate. It's amazing. So I split my magnesium between this shake and I take another teaspoon right before bed, and it prevents me from going pee in the middle of the night, ladies. So just 1 teaspoon in here. The other teaspoon I'll take it with like right before I go to bed. I just discovered that on my own, that it makes you not go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. I always have to pee. Then I'm going to take my coral calcium by mouth. Only reason being, you can open this and put this. It's also a gel cap. You can put this in your shake. I don't like the way it makes my shake feel. It kind of makes it feel like there's like baking soda in it, like a little fizzy. It's weird. I don't like it. So I just take this one orally. Then I have our handy dandy vitamin A, D, and K, which is amazing for your bones, your skin, and your eyes. This is my 40-ounce mug. I highly recommend getting a 30 to 40-ounce cup because this is a lot of shake and it fills normal cups. So what I do is I take, this is a dropper form, and I drop 7 drops of ADK into my cup. I'm gonna put it in my husband's. 5, 6, 7. Okay, because I make 2 of these every morning. 1 for me and 1 for my husband. And put that off to the side. And now you're ready to blend it. I blend it for a good while because it has frozen avocado in it. You don't have to blend it as long when you use a regular avocado, but the frozen like still gets chunks in there, so I put it on for a while. Then pour this entire thing into your 40-ounce mug and enjoy your breakfast. This will fuel you for a long time, and it will make you feel full and happy and healthy. And it will do amazing things for your brain, your skin, your organs, your hormones, your intestines, and your whole body. It will make you feel so good if you start drinking this. Now, you can also mix it up and use different kind of berries. I prefer blueberries only because I like the antioxidants in the blueberries. You could do strawberries, you could do raspberries, you could do blackberries, or you could do all of those berries together and do a mixed berry thing. Try to use some berries because they have a lot of antioxidants in them, which are super good for us, and they just make you feel amazing, and they help you fight off illnesses if you ever get sick. They help your skin look more radiant. So they've done a lot of wonders for me. Mostly on the outside, it's my skin. On the inside, it has healed my thyroid. It has balanced my hormones. It has made my digestion amazing. Digestion has never been the same since I started eating healthy and clean. So just really think about what kind of fruits you really love, because I am not a berry, like a seeded berry kind of person, so I don't like the little seeds in my shake. So that's why I choose blueberries. I'll eat strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries by themselves, but I don't like to drink them in my shake. So that's my preference, blueberries. Feel free to use whatever kind of antioxidant berry you'd like. Enjoy this shake. This is how full it gets in my cup too, by the way. And I drink it with a straw, and I take it slow, and I sit. We call it sitting and shaking. Sit, enjoy your breakfast, take 15 minutes, read a little piece of a book that you're enjoying, or just think for 15 minutes while you drink your breakfast, okay? Enjoy.